One of the officers, J. Alexander King, was sentenced to 3 years in prison, and his colleague, former officer Tu Tao, was sentenced to 3.5 years in prison. For both of these men, the sentences were below what federal guidelines would have recommended. King was the officer who was holding down George Floyd's back, and he was a rookie, and his training officer was actually Derek Chauvin. And Tu Tao was the officer who was standing up. He had no physical contact with Floyd during the arrest, but he was holding the bystanders back and not letting them intervene, as the bystanders were becoming increasingly concerned about Floyd's condition. In the federal case, all 4 officers were charged with violating George Floyd's civil rights, and there were a host of charges. In King and Tao's case, they were charged specifically with violating his rights because they failed to intervene when Derek Chauvin was using force, and they also deprived Floyd of his right to receive medical care. They took no action to help him medically when he was in need of care.